Hi and welcome to the Zoho Analytics video demo. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a line chart in Zoho Analytics. Click the Create option in the side navigation panel and choose Chart View from the drop-down menu. Choose the base table. Add a dimensional column like date to the x-axis with full date and a measure or a metric column like impressions to the y-axis. Click Generate Graph. A simple line chart is ready. Multiple measure columns can be added to the y-axis, and each measure column will be differentiated by color. Choose the preferred line chart variation from the chart types and save the chart with a suitable name. Access the Settings tab to customize the chart styling. The overview and scroll bar effects can be handy while visualizing large data sets. The overview effect helps you focus on a specific region of the chart, making data comprehension easier. You can also use the scroll bar effect to compare subsets of data by adjusting the scroll bar to view different portions of the dataset simultaneously. You can use the brush effect to focus in depth on a specific region. The Axis tab allows you to edit the label name of both the axes. Zoho Analytics automatically calculates the range of the axes based on the minimum and maximum values. This range and interval can be changed if needed. The Data Label option, when enabled, displays the value of the y-axis on the chart. The Legend tab allows you to customize the legend position, title, font style, and the color palette to be used in the chart. Thank you for watching this demo. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on one of our toll-free numbers.